Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you how to make your bird bath on its own. First wash it, and you should take a bigger bowl. I'm first washing it and then wipe it and then fill water in it. And then I bought their favorite food, and then you should put their favorite food. And the main thing is the green things like dhania and lettuce and that all. And if your bird like bread and that all, then put a very little piece. Like I brought more, and then put it in their cage, and then they will start taking a bath. I've done this before also, but there's a small bowl. You should take a bigger, like the dog bowl and that all. So I'm putting it in, and then we'll see. Do they too? Now they'll start taking a bath. I've saw it before also. It takes